So if you want to go ahead and use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, what you're going to want to do is you have your Shopify over here. You're going to go to your apps. You're going to click on Add Apps. And here you can see CJ Dropshipping right at the top. So you're simply going to click on Install. And what that will do is it will authorize your CJ Dropshipping with your Shopify. It's going to bring the app into this section. And you're obviously going to go ahead and complete the installation file and gig between these. Now, after we have done that, what that will help us do is it will give us a good idea on how we're going to start our dropshipping. Obviously, you're going to want to create an account with CJ Dropshipping, connect your dropshipping account with your Shopify account. They're going to give you a connection widget. It's pretty simple. So it's going to take you to the authorization, just sign in with your account. And that is basically how you can use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Then obviously proceeding on, you can get into the main dashboards in MyCJ and start importing your accounts. But yeah, just go ahead. You can register as well with a new account, and it's going to connect that account to your Shopify. But log in over here, and that is how you can use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.